The third generation Seat Leon, featuring a solar roof, the main focus of this video, has been performing impressively for over 10 years since its purchase, covering more than 275,000 kilometers. However, the sunroof has recently started producing noise while driving with it closed, which has persisted for some time. As you can hear, it's not serious, but it's annoying to circulate like this. If you want to see how I solved it, and in a fairly economical way, stay and watch the video. The first thing I did, obviously, was to search for information on Google, since the Seat Leon is a car that has sold a lot, and I'm sure some user has published something on the subject. I saw that on the forums they were talking about the maintenance that had to be done, but I couldn't find anything about the little noises when driving. So the next search I did was on YouTube, and I found a video about the frame change, the roof structure, but nothing about the little noise circulating.
So by
Woe to me.
I'd play.
Fix it on my own. After thoroughly consulting the Seat user's manual, I discovered that it lacks any mention of Leon's maintenance procedures. Consequently, I initiated a logical approach to troubleshooting. With the roof securely closed, I methodically tightened all visible screws that might have loosened over time. Inside the vehicle, there is one screw situated on either side of the roof for adjustment. Upon tightening them, I discovered they were perfectly secure and not loose whatsoever. The next thing was to open the roof and make a visual inspection of the interior.
In principle, it seems that it is fine.
Except for a little dust. Otherwise, it looks good.
I also took the opportunity to tighten the screws that were in view. Do we see these at the end of the roof? Here on the left and another on the right. However, it was just like before. They remained incredibly tight, showing no signs of becoming loose. Thus, already ruling out that it was due to the screws, one of the things that happened is that the little noise appeared when driving on irregular firmness. And if the roof was opened at an angle and closed again, it temporarily disappeared until after a while it reappeared, which gave me a clue to find the solution. The noise seemed to be a bit of play on the frame that holds the sunroof.
And it makes it open and close without becoming a malfunction.
Just a little bit of slack with the passage of kilometers and years. So I went to a hardware store and I looked for something for apply pressure on the end part of the closure. And so, then the slack, it won't rattle.
And make the noise.
I found this protector for the corners. It certainly wasn't terrible, but I was hoping for something significantly sturdier, so I kept searching. I found this window weather strip. It had the density and consistency I was looking for.
And although it's going to be hidden,
I chose it in white so it's less noticeable.
I ventured to a serene and isolated spot to carefully document the process of placement. The method is straightforward. I adjust the roof to a slanted angle, granting easy access to the junction where the roof aligns with pristine sheet metal and the rubber gasket, enabling thorough dirt removal. And also with window cleaner and paper, the part where it touches the plate so that the weather strip sticks well.
and once this is done,
Short, a piece of weather strip.
That I'll go here on the left.
I'm not gonna put it all the way.
And we cut another piece. Same for the right side. The goal is for them to make light pressure with the glass. To finish, I place another piece in the middle of the ceiling. Here you can fully explore their placement and take a comprehensive tour, including opening and closing the solar roof.
Check that there is nothing that interferes with the route.
Now all that remains is to go try the invention to see if it works.
I tell my companion to record while I drive.
And I pass through this area that has irregular asphalt and where the noise was always heard. Perfect. Now nothing is heard and it has been solved. Before going up the video, I have to say that it has been in place for a while and so far everything is fine.
Without being a solution, workshop phase is a user-level arrangement. Can we do it ourselves?
It is.
Effective and quite inexpensive.
If you liked the video,
I hope you like it. Look at my other channel content.
And if you like it, you subscribe.